Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Discord screen share audio is not working, don't worry. This issue is common and usually happens due to settings, permissions, or outdated software. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check your audio settings in Discord. Go to User Settings, Arrow Voice and Video. Make sure your input and output devices are correct. Also, test your microphone to ensure it's working properly. Step 2, enable sound share for screen sharing. When you start screen share, check the share sound option at the bottom left of the screen share window. Without this, viewers won't hear your audio. Step 3, update Discord and your PC. Make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Also install any pending Windows updates, as outdated software can interfere with audio capture. Step 4, run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures Discord has the permissions needed to capture system audio. Step 5, disable exclusive mode in Windows audio settings. Go to Control Panel Sound Playback, Speakers Properties Advanced, and uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. This prevents other apps from blocking Discord audio. Step 6, update your audio drivers. Visit your audio device manufacturer's website or use Device Manager to update drivers. Outdated drivers often cause no audio issues. Step 7, check third-party apps. Some apps like OBS, Voicemeeter, or other audio tools can block Discord audio. Close them and test screen share again. Step 8, test with another app or window. Sometimes the problem is app-specific. Try sharing a different program or your entire screen to see if audio works. Most screen share audio issues happen because share sound wasn't enabled, permissions are blocked, or audio drivers are outdated. Following these steps usually fixes the problem completely. Your Discord screen share audio should now work perfectly. See you in the next guide.